This washing machine from 2003 or 2004. Yeah, if I count this 03 as 2003, then it's indeed from 2003. Yeah, it haven't ever broke down for any reason. Although when I lately turn the drum, I can hear something scratching like plastic tape somewhere, but I can't find anything anywhere. Sometimes I even hear something like something's grinding, like bad ball bearings, but as far as the drum is working just fine, rotator's just fine, and the program does its job, I don't really think I'm gonna change it anytime soon. This type of interlock is gonna need some sort of L-shaped pin being put at that hole, and then you can push to the left side and put another pin like a small solid core wire on the right side, so it can stay like that. This interlock won't need that because it has been locked. It goes before some while I try to fire the washing machine on with the interlock bypassed. So yeah, it needs about 30 seconds to 2 minutes to unlock itself. Yeah, I was also discussing with BoomBoxDeluxe about how stupid those switches are on his video about his dryer with the interlock bypassed in operation. You can also check it. I'm gonna try to find that video and put it on the description. Anyways, I'm gonna fill it up now. If I fill it all the way out, it starts leaking here. No, I'm not gonna do that. I stop it. Yeah, here's the water. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on the drain and on the spin cycle. There we go. Water is out. Now it will start spinning. There we go. Now why not this thing? Once it starts spinning, don't try to grab something from inside, because if you have some clothes on your arms, you can grab it and start spinning your arm or something, and also it will just hit you. After all these years, the belt doesn't have any sleep aids, but I really expect it to snap soon. Very interesting. Start slowing down, and I think I can grab now these things. Ow, fuck. I missed the lens strap. Yeah, anyways, I think I'm done for today. There we go.